Creating an Apollo.io account is a straightforward process that allows you to access its powerful lead generation and sales tools. Here's how to get started. Visit Apollo.io. Go to the official Apollo.io website. On the homepage, you will see an option to sign up or get started. Click on it to begin the registration process. Choose a plan. Apollo.io offers various subscription plans, including a free trial and paid options. Choose the plan that fits your business needs. The free plan gives you access to basic features like lead search and limited contact information, while paid plans offer more comprehensive tools such as enriched lead data and email automation. Sign up with email. Enter your email address and create a strong password. You can also sign up using Google, LinkedIn, or other available options for quicker registration. Verify your email. After signing up, Apollo.io will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox for the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Set up your profile. Once your account is verified, log into Apollo.io. Complete your profile setup by adding your company information, connecting email accounts, and integrating with your CRM if needed. Start using Apollo.io. With your account set up, you can begin searching for leads, enriching contact data, and utilizing Apollo.io's outreach tools to start engaging prospects.